back to our basic water shoe. What we're going to do is in our next sessions, we're going to show you how to put this shoe together, how to build a shoe, at least one or two ways how to build a shoe, because water shoes are kind of like cars, or like trucks, or like flowers, or like people. There's a lot of different size, shapes, and colors of things. And so we show you one position, and it's not like, well, this is the only position. There are many different styles of water shoes. There are many different shapes of water shoes, and many different ways to use water shoes. Like anything else, there are a lot of different models of cars, and there's a lot of different shapes of cars, and they're coming out every year. Same thing with trucks and trains and whatever. So we don't want to get into this is the correct shape. This is the only shape. This is the best shape. This is the better shape, because it's not necessarily the case. So we want to keep that loose, so you can see things and look at things in a wider, broader sense. As long as we stay within the definition of the water shoe, or stay within the scope of the water shoe, we're going to be in good shape, and we want to keep that in mind. But what is the definition of a water shoe, and what is the scope? Now, I look in my dictionary, and the word water shoe does not appear. Does not appear. I look in my encyclopedia, and the word water shoe does not appear. So what we're doing is using what we call a layman's definition, a layman's terminology, and we try to work that in. In other words, a shoe is a shoe, and so this is just another what we call specialized kind of shoe. You can look at snow skis as being a specialized kind of shoe. You can look at water skis and snow skis, very similar, but one is a little bit larger, a little bit wider, or whatever, because it's working on liquid water as opposed to solid water, and it's moving. You get a hydroplane effect. The water shoes is a shoe, and it's similar to a snow ski, and it's similar to a water ski, and in fact, it's similar to snowshoes. And but we need a little bit more buoyancy, so we add a little bit more flotation, and we're able to move along on a liquid surface.